I'm using my phone to connect to the network. So let's see. So good to. I don't have one, but nothing bad playing with one here at the Lowe's store. Okay, let's see. By the way, it's a refrigerator. It just has this big screen. So
This is Control. Does Rocket Mortgage require me to come in and speak with someone? Negative.
I thought it was going to be a TV or something.
You can go through the entire mortgage.
Okay. Is that all? Okay. What's that? TV mirror. I don't have time to wait, so let's go somewhere else. Home. It's my favorite. I'm not going to sign in to this thing. Okay, let's see. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm playing with it.
You're not putting in secret passcodes, are you, to lock it?
No. About to log into my Pandora account. Okay, come on, man. Ain't got no time to wait. So, invalid. Why? Oh, let's see. Okay, just put in my password. Oh. That's my favorite channel. Did you see that? I just take one home. Okay, okay. So if I have these at home, I can just relax at the kitchen, enjoy some good music while munching at my favorite dish. No, I don't have money to buy one now. It's expensive. Look at that. Yeah, but just maybe the inspiration on my phone, so that some days in the future I can have me one. Okay, I changed my mind. Okay, log out. Oh, we need fruit. Okay, I changed my mind. Ice cream. Sir. Hello, sir. I have a question here. Where do I go to? I say hello.
messing with the emoji.
I'm just playing with it.
Stop it.
So how do I see the inside of the refrigerator from here?
Can you see inside this one?
Yeah, I think you should be able to see the inside from the screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, that's
You don't know how to.
music.
Yeah, that's Pandora
Japanese.
music.
Did I show it?
I don't know.
Look, it's messing with- No. We want to look in it.
She wants me to take her home, but I told her I don't have the money. I can't afford her right now. You can see it's expensive. And she was sad. She's, she's sad.
Yeah.
Stop being sad.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm gonna sit here and play this thing.
I don't know how you.
So here you can.
Stop it. I saw
Yeah, you
you
don't wanna
trying
Yeah.
to mess it up.
That's Pandora.
I'm not messing it up. I'm
not-
just
you're
playing
not-
with it.
That's
You're not- that's
Pandora. Stop
Pandora.
it. What is this? View inside.
That's view inside. Oh,
See?
you see? I should have known that. See?
View inside. It said it.
Oh, okay.
That's
So
so
can
neat.
I like?
No.
Okay.
Does it move?
So yeah, I should. Okay.
This is so neat, but good.
It is. Yeah. She says she's lonely here. She needs to go. She needs somebody to take her
to go
home.
home with you.
Yeah.
Go ahead. On special order too.
Is it?
So,
Oh, wow.
7 days.
Pictures. Upload your
Can I upload
picture
a
album.
picture on this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure this thing out. Ain't nothing going on to sit on here and do this.
You can listen to CNN.
Oh, look, I'm tired. CNN.
Okay, what is this one? It's the card.
It's not available.
Yeah.
Internet. Hey, wait a minute. We get Wi-Fi. Can we?
Yeah, I use my hotspot to connect to it.
Oh, so you're doing all this?
Mhm,
Get
yep.
on Facebook. I'm gonna upload a picture.
Okay.
You need to care.
It's just wow. I've never paid attention to this thing.
You can't spell.
Okay, you all right there?
Almost there.
What you gonna upload? Are you serious? No, let me see. Why are you
Let's see
doing
if it
this?
does it. It's hilarious.
So you don't send it to everybody?
No.
Yes, you are.
Who's everybody?
Everybody on Facebook?
No, we can just see it from here.
No, he don't see it. If you don't see it, huh?
Yeah, I'll see it. Yeah, I want to see it.
I'm hoping ain't nothing dirty. on it.
Yeah.
Tell me when it's
No, no, I'm not recording your.
I am.
Yeah.
I memorized it. Oh,
You forgot. You forgot your password.
Well, you ain't going crazy.
I'm trying to be nice.
Yay! Got your son?
No, I'm show my family.
Okay.
Oh,
That's you and your husband.
Didi.
Yeah, my niece, my little name Denise. Yeah.
Didi. I'm start calling you Didi.
Stop it. Oh my God, it's so neat.
It is. It is.
Didi, please count to aisle 17.
You see? So you
Okay,
don't
you
have to
go
be
away
bored. If you don't have customers around,
my
just
God,
come here.
thank you.
Come over here and have fun. Just connect. Use
Not
your.
really encouraged, though.
Well, you see.
Okay.
Oh, Lord.
Who is bowling on? Oh my God, look at this.
Go to YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, but sign up first,
Okay.
though.
Oh yeah, that's right. Go on my page. Oh my God, that's so neat. Look at me. Okay, hold on. I'll sign out.
I think. Anyway, yeah. Once I disconnect the hotspot, it should be fine.
There you go.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
so cool. Okay, I have to do work now. Come on.
When you get ready, what you gonna do?
I thought we staying?
No, I'm asking him. When you get ready?
Hey, you on YouTube? Put some music. Can you play music? Run. Will it play music?
Okay, I'm joking.
No. Will it play music? Well, we're on YouTube. Like, does it have speakers? Come on, girl. I'm already more than you are.
We don't really want, raise enough music as it is.
And sometimes they end with somebody's pants splitting open.
You recording it? Did you record my
No, I did not.
I'm watching you.
No, I did not. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.
Oh.